In today's tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to add your Credly badge to your LinkedIn profile. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the homepage, click on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top right corner, then select View Profile. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button and click on it. You'll see several options like About, Education, Skills, and more. From here, go to the Recommended section and select Add Licenses and Certifications. A form will appear that you need to fill out. Start by entering the name of your badge, for example, Graphic Designer. Next, in the Issuing Organization field, type Credly and select it from the suggestions. After that, enter the issue date of your badge. If your badge has an expiration date, add that as well. Then fill in your credential ID, if available, and paste your credential URL. This is usually the link to your badge on Credly. Once you've filled in all the required details, click Save. Now, if you scroll down your profile, you'll see your Credly badge displayed under the Licenses and Certifications section. And that's it. You've successfully added your Credly badge to your LinkedIn profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.